guys, Nick here from iNVision. Hope everybody's doing good. So this is the Mustang that rolled in the other day. We got her all stripped down, and we have that in the previous video. But we got her all stripped down, and this morning I've been marking things out, measuring and establishing the crucial cut lines and feature lines, and just making sure that everything's going to work out as we were planning initially. So the goal for today is to get this glass out without breaking it. Being older glass, it's always a challenge because it's been stressed, but let's see what we can do and save some time maybe later on vacuuming and cleaning up any shards. So let's get the tools out and get cutting. Okay, finally managed to crawl back in here. If I don't look comfortable, I'm not. It's quite a squeeze back here. I have no headroom at all, and I can't imagine sitting back here with the seat cushions in place. So anyway, going to use a little bit of water with detergent in it. That's it. Got a little bit of tape on the other side holding this. And there we go. First piece out. Okay, here we go again. Okay. And that's second window. Okay, this is going to be a little less fun. Just a bit of a pain to get back in here, but we're going to cut this window out now. Take my time, work my way up and around, and then just do the top last. I can already see separation, so this urethane needs to be a bit softer than what they use on the side glass. if you guys saw it on camera, but we finally let go. Now I have a small section here holding the glass so that when I go out from the outside, come in, cut the bottom edge because it's easier to get in, and then I'll come in and finish this off at the end. Quite a bit of urethane along the bottom edge here. See that? It's a good sign. It hasn't broken yet. So we have one more corner to take care of here. Ooh, that's it. Everything is just let go. Success! One rear window for a Mustang. Oh guys, we have one more to go. Unlike the side and rear glass, this one's laminated. And what that means is you have two pieces of glass separated with a sheet of plastic in basic terms. And if this one breaks, it might chip a bit, but it won't shatter or blow up like the back one or the side glass does. Okay, we have the whole top loose, the two sides loose. It's just a matter of getting in down below. Yeah, I chipped the edge, so it looks like it's going to run from that point. I don't see anything up here, but could be just a chip. Once you wipe it off, we'll see more. Wasn't trying to save the glass for anything, but it's just nice to take it out in one piece without it breaking up too much. Top is loose, sides are loose. Alright guys, well the windshield's cut out. Unfortunately, we broke it. There's a run over here and a run over here. The good thing is, we can take it out in one piece, and there's nothing to clean up. Get this dash covered up. Well, that was exciting, and although we broke the front windshield, everything came out in one piece, and cleanup was really easy. There's nothing to clean up. So next stage of this project is going to be to get this up on the frame table and get things braced, get the back braced, and start cutting the roof off and getting the quarters off. If you guys have any comments or questions, look forward to hearing from you, so drop them in the area down below, and stay tuned for more.